my goodness, but not anymore, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think this will actually happen, but hey there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. For today, I prepared the only working method you can get unlimited coins in GoodNovel on both iOS and Android. So if you want to learn how to get unlimited coins in GoodNovel for both iOS and Android, keep on watching and following my steps. The first thing that you need to do is switch off your VPNs. Once you have your VPN switched off, you can go ahead and continue with the steps. The next thing is going to our browsers. And once we get there, go ahead and jump to this website right here. Once you're on here, guys, go ahead and search for GoodNovel. And then once you find it, tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, what you need to do is go ahead and search for your username. Then go ahead and tap on continue. What you need to do after you've tapped on continue is go ahead and choose the platform that you're using. So either iOS or Android. I'm using an iOS one, so that's what I'm going to be choosing. Then tap on continue. Once you're done tapping on continue, guys, you need to go ahead and go to the next step, which is my favorite step actually, and choose the amount of resources you want to get. And I'm going for the highest amount, guys. Now, the next thing that we need to do is go ahead and tap on generate. Once we're done tapping on generate, guys, what we need to do is wait for it to load. And the last step is a super simple one to complete. So make sure you follow along with the steps. We need to generate a certain code. And how do we do it? Well, we simply tap on this button right here to generate the code. And then we scroll to the bottom of this page to get to complete 2 tasks, and I'm going to just wait for them to load, and if they won't, I will just repeat tapping on that button, and then here they are. So we need to generate the code. Either what you need to do is complete 2 questionnaires, which are super easy to complete, and you complete them by tapping on the questionnaire and then answering a few of them. Or what you can do is go ahead and get 2 apps. And they're super easy to complete. You can get more than 2, but not less than 2, and same goes for the questionnaires. So what you need to do is get the apps, for example, the TikTok app, then run it for 30 seconds. Then you can come back here, then get Swagbucks, play 2 games for 5 minutes each, or Opera GX, set it as a default browser, then search 5 times. All of these apps are from official publishers and free to download, so you have nothing to worry about. Guys, I'm going off camera to get this process completed, then I'll get back to you once I'm done. Okay guys, I got the process all completed, and what I did is pasted the code in. So let's go ahead and tap on submit code, and then once we're done, look at this guys, it says success. So let's go back to my GoodNovel app and see how it actually looks, and if my process got completed successfully. I'll go to my profile now, and look, I'm out of coins completely. Oh my goodness, but not anymore, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't even think this will actually happen, but as you can see, my coins balance is to the max, filled up to the max. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. If you also had any issues with this method, make sure you leave it in the comment section down below. That is basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.